Why you should eat ginger in the morning. When it comes to starting your day on the right note, the choices you make in the morning can set the tone for the hours ahead. Among the array of superfoods, one ingredient stands out for its remarkable health benefits: ginger. This humble root has been cherished for centuries for its medicinal properties, and integrating it into your morning routine can be a powerful way to enhance your overall well-being. 1. A boost to your metabolism. Ginger has the remarkable ability to rev up your metabolism, making it an ideal addition to your morning routine. Consuming ginger in the morning can kickstart your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. This boost not only aids in weight management but also provides a sustainable source of energy. 2. Aid in digestion. If you've ever experienced bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, ginger can come to your rescue. Its natural enzymes can help stimulate digestion, easing the discomfort that often accompanies heavy or rich breakfasts. Incorporating ginger into your morning can set the stage for smooth digestion, leaving you feeling light and comfortable as you tackle your day. 3. Enhanced immune function. A strong immune system is your body's defense against illnesses. Ginger contains potent antioxidants and compounds that are known to have immune-boosting effects. Starting your day with ginger can provide your immune system with the support it needs to fend off potential threats, helping you stay healthy and vibrant. 4. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can play a pivotal role in keeping inflammation in check. By consuming ginger in the morning, you provide your body with a natural defense against inflammation, promoting long-term health. 5. Morning nausea relief. For those prone to morning sickness, ginger has been a trusted remedy for centuries. Whether you're dealing with pregnancy-related nausea or general queasiness, sipping ginger tea or adding ginger to your morning smoothie can provide gentle relief. Its soothing effect on the stomach can help you face the day with renewed vitality. 6. An energizing start. The invigorating aroma and unique flavor of ginger can wake up your senses like a breath of fresh air. Incorporating ginger into your morning routine can offer an enticing and refreshing start to your day. Whether you choose to enjoy it as a warm tea, a zesty smoothie, or a flavorful addition to your breakfast, ginger can provide an energizing kick that fuels your morning endeavors. Incorporating ginger into your morning routine isn't just about adding a dash of flavor. It's about embracing a natural powerhouse that can transform your health. From boosting metabolism and aiding digestion to enhancing your immune system and reducing inflammation, ginger offers a host of benefits that can set the stage for a vibrant and thriving day. So, the next time you're looking to infuse your morning with a touch of magic, consider reaching for the remarkable root that is ginger. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.